Welcome back to Rough Diamond Recipes. Today's recipe is bread and butter pudding made with hot cross buns. You should have seen the wife's face when I suggested making bread and butter pudding. It was a picture. She was as happy as a 5-year-old on Christmas morning. And there's no doubt about it, the way to my wife's heart is via the dessert trolley. Okay, the first thing we do for this recipe is cut up the hot cross buns. You can slice them or cut them into chunks, whatever floats your boat. However you've chopped up your hot cross buns, the next thing you do is liberally butter each piece and place in an oven-proof dish. Those of you who follow our channel won't be surprised to learn my wife and I had a difference of opinion when it came to bread and butter pudding. I think the top should be crispy and the bottom swimming in custard. Needless to say, she disagrees. She says it should be moist but stodgy. And this bone of contention basically boils down to how much custard mix you use. So we're going to make it my wife's way, but I'll let you know how you can change it when the time arrives. So as on cue, next thing we do is make the custard mix. And to do this, simply put the sugar, milk, vanilla extract and eggs in a jug and mix together. It's at this point, if you want more custard, add 150ml of double cream. And when all the custard ingredients are mixed together, simply pour over the hot cross buns. And you should have something that looks like this. When this is done, it's off to 160 degrees C oven for 35 to 40 minutes. And when this time is up, simply remove from the oven and serve hot or cold. We do hope you enjoyed this recipe, and feel free to subscribe, share and like, and hopefully we'll see you soon on the next one. Bye for now.